Top 5 apps like Famegrowers come social media reviews that actually work today. Famegrowers.com promises to boost social media growth, but most people get this wrong by trusting unverified services. The surprising truth is there are apps that help track analytics, gain real engagement, and offer verified strategies. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, Hootsuite provides social media scheduling, analytics, and engagement tracking. Users appreciate streamlined management and verified insights. Second, Buffer offers post scheduling and performance analytics across platforms. Customers highlight ease of use and actionable recommendations. Third, Social Blade tracks real-time social media stats with verified metrics. Users report accurate follower and engagement insights. Fourth, Later focuses on visual content planning for Instagram and TikTok. App users love scheduling, analytics, and growth tips. Finally, Iconoscore provides analytics and management for Instagram and Facebook. Users praise verified reports and engagement tracking. Pro tip: focus on consistent posting, verified analytics, and real engagement. Avoid apps promising fake followers. They rarely work and can harm your account. Using these 5 apps, you can grow your social media presence safely and strategically while tracking results effectively.